Hi everyone. So I'm here just to trying to capture this audio. I don't understand the echo or the repeat on this microphone that's happening. But do you hear how the auditory sound kind of elevates itself in like a weird higher pitch and then it de-escalates? I'm just trying to describe it in words that I think I can convey. But yes, it's Friday, February 28th, 12:40, 9 p.m. And I'm just recording these sounds to leave a documented trail of something. I don't know what this is. My microphone's picking it up. I just ordered an EMF reader meter on Amazon because just out of curiosity, I'm trying to measure something here to see if there's something coming into the house causing this sound. But my name's Jorge Blue. I live in Bloomington, Minnesota, and I'm just documenting this journey I'm on, or whatever this seems to be. This noise. It's not the focus of my life, but I'm definitely curious because I've never heard anything like it before.